I just wanted to put my 2 cents on this just to let people be aware of this violation and to encourage the family to not be discouraged, but to pursue a lawsuit. Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering a situation that went down at a Clarendon police station. I believe it is 4 Paths, Clarendon, where a 19-year-old dreadlocks female was detained for a short while, but within that short while she was violated. A police officer took it up on herself to trim the young lady. I hesitated about covering this topic for the simple fact that I was in disbelief. And when I say disbelief, I mean genuine disbelief. I was in disbelief, and it makes me suspicious because only recently that the young man in St. Anne right was violated, and there was a big social media storm about it. So the JCF came under fire, and I was under disbelief over this situation because bearing in mind that that situation in St. Anne isn't far gone yet, I'm thinking, are the police officers in Jamaica that stupid, or are they just seeking attention? Is this a stunt? Is this a way for social media personnel, vloggers, newspaper like the Gleaner, the Star, TVJ, CVM? Is this a way to have them in the headlines? Because common sense would tell any normal Jamaican that it is a violation of that person if you should try to trim a dreadlocks, try to violate a Rastafarian. I mean, dreadlocks is a hairstyle, and Rastafarian is a religion, and sometimes the hairstyle and the religion merges. So the hairstyle originally came from the religion, but as the world turned, you know, there's a lot of people out there that sports dreadlocks just for sporting it, just for style, and they have no attachment with the religion Rastafarian. Either way, whether I practice the religion Rastafarian or I just like the hairstyle dreadlocks, that is a part of me. That's a part of my person. And if anyone, including a police officer, should try to delete, amend, edit parts of what is being me, you know, that's my natural hair. So it's not like I'm wearing a wig. It's not like I'm wearing an earring or a necklace or some glasses or some shoelace that a police officer could justify as why he or she is going to take that from me. And this is Jamaica. Jamaica is renowned for Rastafarian. Jamaica is renowned for dreadlocks. So when a police officer is going to go to the extent of cutting the female's hair without her permission, well, it's not a barbershop, it's a police station. You're here to hide a lodge complaint, or you're here because you're being detained. I can't think of any other reasons why anyone would be at a police station for a length of time. I'm aware of the reason why she was there, but it has nothing to do with what I'm talking about. She was there. She was being detained at this police station. Put her in a cell. If you think she smells, or if you think she has any offensive odor, and if the police station has a facility to give her a shower, do that. But it's not a barbershop. She's not there for a haircut. She's not there to switch religion or nothing like that. So, as much as I'm making my comment on this topic, it's still in the back of my brain like, is this a stunt? Did the JCF orchestrate this? Did a police officer in her right mind believe that this was legal and this was harmless and there is no blowback from this? So, I mean, this is 2021. I mean, just the thought of, I can't see any sense in it. So I hope you guys can see where I'm thinking. Is this a stunt? Are officers of the JCF seeking attention? Is 4 Paths Clarendon not popular enough? I mean, why would anyone do this? To my understanding, a higher ranking police officer was there who saw the incident and objected and asked, why are you cutting her hair? And to my understanding, from what I read, the information that I've attained, this police officer kind of just kissed her teeth, turned away from the supervisor, the higher ranking police officer, and continued doing what she was doing. Okay, as I pictured that as I was reading it, that tells me that that police officer is either off her rockers, have no respect for her supervisor, and no respect for anyone. So that kind of shines some logics on it. If we've got a mad police woman that's working at the 4th Path police station in Clarendon, something needs to be done about that. But despite whether she got all her bearings or she's a little on the verge of insanity, she was wearing police uniform and she was representing the Jamaica Constabulary Force at that time. And as long as she was representing the Jamaica Constabulary Force, when this incident went down, this violation falls onto the Jamaica Constabulary Force. What they want to do with her after that, not my business, and I'm sure it's not the business of the family who's been violated. But Jamaicans need to press forward for lawsuits. And bear in mind that lawsuits, due process on a whole, when it comes to court proceedings, they take time. And I don't know why they take time, but they take time. So filing a lawsuit today about the situation in 2021 may not get any result till about 2023. Some people don't have the stamina to maintain the length of time that it takes. I'm only saying 2 years. It could take longer. It could take shorter, but they do take time. I say to this family, do not let anything distract you. As much as your daughter's hair may grow back and she can relock her hair, a violation is a violation. It's not only the fact that she lost her hair and she has to grow it all over. It's just a violation of one's personal dignity. You know, it's like empowering the police officers to treat us like how slave masters used to treat us when slavery was a thing. If someone spat on you, if someone urinates on you, if someone slaps you in the face for no particular reason and move on with their day, it's just belittling you. So even though it's not a permanent scar physically, it's a mental scar that will trouble one throughout their lives. I mean, this female may just have a mental situation every time she has to encounter a police officer. And if you live in a civil society, police plays a part. There's a high chance that you probably need the police in the future, whether it's to make a report. So for most people that may say it will grow back, we have to think beyond the disrespect. We have to think beyond the physical removal of the hair. We have to think, what did it do to this female mentally, emotionally? The more I look at Jamaica society as it developed, is the more I see mental disorders, psychological problems in human beings in Jamaica. I don't know if it's been there all this time and we're just discovering it, but it's a big thing at the moment. I just wanted to put my 2 cents on this, just to let people be aware of this violation and to encourage the family to not be discouraged, but to pursue a lawsuit, a violation. It's a serious violation. To trample on someone's dignity, it's not something that you can just easily bounce back from. Like I say, I don't really care what they do with this police officer. I wish they fire her. I don't really care what they do with her, but she needs to face some level of penalty for her action. If she thought it was that easy to just cut this girl's hair without thinking of any consequences, who knows what she's already done and who knows what she will do in the future. So my message to the JCF is, take no further chances with her. My direction to the family and to the young woman who's been violated, file a lawsuit. Again, lawsuit takes time, and sometimes time can tire people out. But do not give up. Just revisit the violation every time you feel like giving up. And I believe that will re-energize you to pursue with your lawsuit. That's pretty much what I have to say about the situation. People, let me know how you feel about it. As you know, on my channel, I appreciate agreement and disagreement. Thumbs up and thumbs down. Because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. We've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. Other ways that you can support this channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. But the most important way to support my channel is to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. The third way to support this channel is to go to my Teespring account and purchase in any of my merch. And the fourth way that you can support this channel is joining me in Patreon to give me a contribution to help me to do what I do here on YouTube. Once again, I want to thank all of you guys for checking out my video and ask that you continue to join me, ENT Sabas, here on YouTube to see where my journey takes me. Until next time, peace.